Welcome back. In the last video we have completed the setup of Angular material, and in this video we will be starting installing bootstrap. Let's quickly start. So this is the node mod npm command. Here we can install bootstrap using node package manager. So copy this line, stop the local server, clean the screen. Npm install -- save means as a dev dependency we want this bootstrap. So I am combining Angular material and bootstrap together because of just to make my template easy for the Todo application development. You can choose whatever the UI you want. And in the style section we have to make sure our bootstrap is should have the first before the indigo pink material Angular material CSS. So this we have to make sure, otherwise our Angular material CSS will be overridden. So we want to give priority on the Angular material side.